My name is James David Vance. I was born in Ohio in 1984. I am 41 years old. I am the Vice President of the U.S. My family faced struggles. Life was sometimes hard. I learned to stay strong. I dreamed of a better future. I went to school. Teachers helped me grow. I liked reading books. I wanted new opportunities. We moved many times. Challenges came every day. I learned patience early. Friends helped me often. I studied very hard. I went to college. I met inspiring mentors. I wanted to succeed. Life taught me lessons. I learned from struggles. Family gave me hope. Community shaped my path. Now I tell stories. I share lessons learned. I hope you listen. Welcome to my journey. I grew up poor. Money was always scarce. Bills piled up high. Stress filled our home. My family argued often. Love was real, but life was heavy. Hope felt distant. I saw addiction destroy. Relatives lost their way. Alcohol, drugs, despair. Pain lived with us. Still, I learned strength. Hard times teach resilience. Pain makes you tougher. You stand or fall. My mother struggled. She tried her best. But stability was rare. Chaos ruled many days. Grandma was my rock. She gave discipline. She gave love. She gave direction. Family taught survival. Not through ease, but through constant struggle. I grew inside storms. Looking back now, those days were hard. But they built me. They shaped my will. This is my 10th lesson. Family support shapes you. Stay strong through challenges. Cherish those who help. School was not always easy. I often felt behind others. Books seemed heavy to me, but I kept trying. Teachers sometimes encouraged me. They said I was smart. Still, I doubted myself. I feared to fail. I learned to push harder. Every page taught me something. Mistakes became small teachers. Hope grew step by step. Friends came and went quickly. Some laughed at my background. Others shared kindness with me. I valued those moments. School opened wider doors. It showed a bigger world. Dreams started to take shape. My heart looked ahead. Math trained my focus daily. History told stories of struggle. Science made me curious. Words gave me power. At times, I wanted escape. Homework felt like punishment. But deep inside, I knew it was my chance. Step by step, I grew. Confidence replaced my fear. I believed change was possible. Learning gave me wings. This is my 9th lesson. Education opens opportunities. Learn every day. Work hard for growth. I decided to join Marines. It felt like a calling. Discipline became my new guide. I trained with courage. Boot camp was very hard. Every day tested my limits. I learned to stay focused. Strength grew inside me. I faced cold mornings. Drills seemed never-ending. I pushed myself forward. I refused to quit. Officers taught me leadership. Comrades shared their experience. Teamwork saved many moments. I listened carefully always. Some nights were lonely. I missed family at home. Letters kept my hope. I never gave up. I learned responsibility fast. Every action had consequences. Decisions mattered for everyone. I grew day by day. Friendships became very strong. We trusted each other deeply. Support kept spirits alive. We shared small victories. I faced fear often. Courage became my companion. I discovered inner strength. I felt pride inside. This is my 8th lesson. Discipline builds strength. Patience brings results. Face challenges bravely. I joined Ohio State. Books opened new worlds. Learning became exciting. I wanted to succeed. Classes were sometimes hard. Professors guided my path. I asked many questions. I studied every day. I made new friends. We shared ideas often. Discussions taught me much. I listened carefully always. Exams tested my focus. Some nights felt long. I kept trying hard. I never gave up. I joined student groups. Activities improved teamwork skills. I learned leadership lessons. I shared my ideas. Internships gave me experience. I saw the real world. I worked with mentors. I learned step by step. I faced challenges often. Failures taught me patience. I adapted and improved. I felt proud inside. Education opened many doors. Knowledge changed my thinking. I imagined a bigger future. I planned my next steps. This is my 7th lesson. Knowledge changes your future. Work hard, stay curious. Use learning wisely. I entered Yale Law. New city, new faces. Everything felt different. I wanted to learn. Classes were very hard. Professors challenged my ideas. I read many books. I asked many questions. I met smart classmates. We shared our thoughts. Discussions were sometimes hard. I listened carefully always. Culture shock came often. Life felt very different. I missed home sometimes. I learned to adapt. I joined student groups. We debated and practiced. I grew my skills. I worked with others. I faced failures often. Exams were very tough. I studied late nights. I never gave up. Internships taught me much. I worked in offices. I saw real law. I learned step by step. Yale shaped my thinking. Ideas became clearer. I grew as a person. I planned for the future. This is my 6th lesson. Adaptability is essential. Hard work brings results. Always stay focused. I wanted to share. My story felt important. Life in Ohio shaped me. I started to write. Pages filled with memories. Family struggles and lessons. Friends encouraged my work. I stayed focused daily. I described my childhood, the good and the hard. I shared personal stories. I hoped people understood. Sometimes writing was hard. I felt stuck often. I kept working slowly. I never gave up. Editors helped me refine. Feedback improved my writing. I read and revised. Every detail mattered. The book was published. People read and shared. It became very famous. I felt proud inside. Interviews and talks followed. I traveled across America. I explained my lessons. People listened carefully. Writing taught me patience. I learned to focus. I practiced every day. I grew as a person. This is my 5th lesson. Share your story boldly. Hard work brings recognition. Stay patient and persistent. I decided to run for the Senate. Ohio needed change. People listened carefully. I spoke about issues. Campaign days were long. I met many citizens. I shook hands often. I explained my ideas. Some doubted my chances. I stayed calm always. I focused on work. I never lost hope. Volunteers helped daily. We planned every event. We motivated each other. I felt teamwork strong. I gave many speeches. I practiced each morning. People heard my plans. They trusted my vision. Election day finally came. I waited with patience. Votes were counted slowly. I felt excitement deep. I learned to listen. Citizens' needs were clear. I reflected on feedback. I made better plans. Winning was a milestone. I felt responsibility grow. I promised to serve. I wanted to improve Ohio. This is my fourth lesson. Serve your people faithfully. Listen before you act. Lead with honesty and care. I was chosen as candidate. I joined Donald Trump. We prepared for campaigns. Work became very busy. I traveled across states. I spoke with citizens. I listened to their needs. I shared my ideas. Campaigning was not easy. I faced many doubts. I stayed calm always. I focused on goals. I worked with my team. We planned many events. We helped local towns. We solved small issues. I learned from mistakes. I asked for advice. I stayed persistent daily. I never gave up. Meetings often lasted hours. I paid attention carefully. I shared opinions sometimes. I absorbed new lessons. I gave speeches often. I encouraged citizens. I explained my vision. I inspired many people. Finally, election day came. We won the election. I became vice president. I felt proud and ready. This is my third lesson. Leadership requires listening. Serve people with care. Stay humble in success. I speak about family. Community is very important. I share my ideas. People listen carefully. I talk about values. Hard work is key. I believe in honesty. Citizens respect fairness. I explain America's future. I hope for progress. I listen to questions. I answer with care. I share personal stories. They teach lessons. Life has challenges. We can overcome them. I encourage education always. Learning opens doors. I guide young people. I show new paths. I meet many citizens. I hear their worries. I give advice sometimes. I learn from them. I plan for change. Policies must help. I discuss ideas daily. I work with team. People ask my opinion. I stay patient always. I respect all voices. I act carefully too. This is my second lesson. Share your beliefs openly. Listen before deciding. Help your community grow. I think about future. Many people watch closely. I hope to inspire. I share lessons learned. Young people ask questions. I give honest answers. I tell my story. They listen carefully. I remember my journey. Life was not easy. Challenges taught me strength. I never gave up. I meet new leaders. We talk about change. I learn from them. I plan next steps. I encourage hard work. Education is very important. I show dedication daily. I lead by example. I listen to citizens. Their voices guide me. I take responsibility. I try to help. I think about family. They gave me courage. I honor their support. I feel very thankful. I dream about progress. America can do better. I work for people. I hope for future. This is my first lesson. Believe in yourself always. Learn from every challenge. Inspire others with actions. What was your favorite part? Which lesson from J.D. Vance inspires you most? How will you use his story in your life? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Perseverance matters. Keep learning and growing.